The aliens are here. 10 essential preps that will help you survive an alien invasion. Most people would probably call prepping for an alien invasion silly, but with the release of those UFO documents, maybe it's not so foolish. This guide will give you some ideas that might help you survive an invasion by beings far more advanced than our comparatively primitive civilization. The way I see it, if you're ready for an alien invasion, you're prepared for just about anything. The number one priority for any emergency, and certainly for an alien attack, is to have an emergency plan. Know what you will do if an invasion occurs. Where will you go? What supplies will you take? How will you contact loved ones? This is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and I got this comic book, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to put it on. So let's look. To survive an alien attack, you will first need a few essentials. Number one, food and water. Both essential for survival, especially during an invasion. Make sure you have enough to last for as long as necessary. Number two, shelter. You'll need a place to take shelter during an attack. Make sure it is sturdy and can withstand repeated alien contact without breaking down. Bunkers are highly recommended for their long-lasting durability. Number three, proper tools. Ensure you have the proper tools and equipment to build your shelter before an attack. Use shovels, pickaxes, and other digging tools for cutting into the ground and building a sturdy bunker. Number four, medical supplies. Injuries are likely to occur during an alien invasion, so it's crucial to have medical supplies on hand. Bandages, gauze, painkillers, and other essential items will safely help you get through the ordeal. Number five, sanitation. Waste is inevitable during an alien attack, so ensure you have toilet paper and plenty of water to clean yourself afterwards. Oh, and a clean, safe place to do your business too. Number six, communication gear. Cell phone networks may be down. It's essential to be able to contact your loved ones, or at the very least, let them know that you're okay. A good walkie-talkie and a ham radio will allow you to communicate with other survivors during an invasion. Number seven, weapons. Be well trained and always practice safety. You'll need something to defend you and your loved ones against the aliens. A variety of weapons are available, so choose the ones that best suit your needs. Firearms, knives, and other bladed weapons are all excellent. Number eight, multi-tool. Yes, this is on my list. You never know when you might need a good multi-tool during an invasion. And it might help you open cans of food or cut some branches for shelter material while you're on the run from the aliens. Number nine, transportation. You'll need this to escape an invasion, but you'll also need it to forage for supplies later on. Gasoline might be hard to find, so make sure your car can run on diesel or biofuels. A motorcycle is good, but you'll want to have some storage space on your bike for your provisions. Number 10, the solid will to live. This is probably the most critical item on the list. The aliens are sure to be formidable opponents, so you'll need to have a lot of inner strength, grit, and determination to make it through an invasion alive. Bonus tip, have a sense of humor. Not always appropriate, and it's optional, but it can help you through the tough times. Laughter is the best medicine, and it might just be what you need to keep your spirits up during an alien invasion. With these items in hand, you will be well prepared to survive an invasion attack. Remember to keep your wits about you, follow your plan, and stay safe. What to do after an alien attack? After surviving an alien attack, it's essential to take care of yourself and your loved ones. If you have family members with you during an invasion, make sure they are okay. If there are any injured or wounded survivors, do what you can to help them. It's now time to start thinking about how you're going to rebuild your life. Rebuilding will include finding various necessities for your survival and getting back out there in the world to find a new home. Getting back to normal could take months to several years, depending on how much damage the attack caused. With time and effort, you'll rebuild your life and gradually start to thrive again. Just remember that the world will never be the same after an alien invasion, so be prepared for a long road ahead. The end. I hope you liked this. It was just kind of fun. So I bought this comic with what's called private label rights, which allows you to use it in any way you want. So I just thought I'd put it online. It was kind of interesting, kind of fun to watch and see something different. In the meantime, please comment. Let us know what other things we should have in our arsenal for an alien invasion. Put it in the comments. Let us know if you are prepared for the invasion and what you would do if there ever really was an alien invasion. Please subscribe, like the video, and again, thanks for watching.